Hello everyone, hi. This is Joshi's online study hub and I Tushar Joshi heartily welcome you all my dear students behalf of Omkar English Medium School. First of all, let me just inform you that if you haven't seen my previous lecture, then on top side I button is given. On clicking I button you can see that lecture and you should see that lecture first. Why? Because this lecture is totally depend on that lecture. If that lecture you will not get, then this is very much hard to understand this lecture. One more thing, my application is already in Play Store, so if you haven't still connected with me, then on Play Store you can search Josh Education. Okay, Josh Education. You can search Josh Education and you can tune with us, you can connect with us. Some live batches and recorded course is there and you can get more information from there. Now today, as we have discussed in last lecture, we have to learn exercise number 14.2, question number first. But what is exercise number 14.2? That is mode. Okay, today we have to discuss about the mode. What is mode now? Question should be in your mind. What is the mode? Okay, then in last year you people have learned in last year 9th standard, the mode means which frequency is most repeated. Which frequency is most repeated, that is your mode. But there are two types of data. First is ungrouped data, second is group data. In ungrouped data, last year you have learned that was ungrouped data. If you not remember that things, then you should first prefer last year standard 9th textbook, chapter number 14, statistic. Okay, because that is, for example, let me give one more example. Ungrouped data, for example, some frequency is repeated 10 times, some frequency is 14 times, some frequency is 20 times. Then 20 times is the most repeated frequency, right? Then that is for example 15.9 is repeated 20 times. 15.9 is repeated 20 times. It means that 15.9 is your mode. Yes or no? Yes. But how you know 15.9? Because that was ungrouped data. The particular data directly there if give, so it's called ungrouped data. But if class interval is given, then 4 to 10. For example, let me give you example one more. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 means here class interval is 5. Now you just assume that 15 to 20 that class interval is repeated maximum time, for example 20 times. 20 times that is repeated. Okay. Then now you tell me what is the mode? Class interval can be mode. 50 to 20 is that mode? No, class interval cannot be mode. That is very much obvious. Class interval will not be mode. Out of that class interval, 50 to 20 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Out of that 5 data, 1 data will your mode na? Then that how you will find? Out of that 5, which one is your mode? That how you will find? So that is really very much hard. From just seeing first side that which one is your mode, because this is your ungrouped, this is your group data. In group data, just from seeing first side you cannot find which one is your mode. Then what to do to find the mode? Let us see what to do to find the mode in this exercise, in this lecture. Then students are, if still you people are considering that math is hard, that is boring, no, forget, because math is easy. You dear students, don't be crazy. Let us start this chapter with one amazing concept, that is your mode. Now here, as you can see here, okay, mode of group data. See here, that is clearly mentioned, this is group data. Okay, because ungrouped data last year you have seen. Then in a group frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode looking the frequencies. You just, if you are say assuming, thinking that Just we will see the frequency and we will tell that yes sir, this is mode. No, that is the matter of last year. This is your 10th grade, this is your board. Okay, so here you cannot find easily and you cannot get easily such marks like that much fast, that much easily you will not get marks. Okay, then what to get, what to do to get the marks? Here this is the solution. I am today to teach you the solution. Here we can only locate the class within the maximum frequency is called model class. Yes, here you cannot find the mode, but you can find the model class. Model class means which class is repeating maximum time, that is repeated maximum time. For example, just I said na 15 to 20, that class interval is repeated maximum time, for example 20 times. So that is your model class. See, that is your model class, that is not your mode. So that thing you have to remember. Now this is the formula to find the mode. L plus such a long formula L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Again, this formula you must know. You write 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, choice is yours, but you must have to write. Actually, if you just with full of concentration, if you just speak loudly, you just record your audio, and if you will listen in your headphone, then also you people will easily with 2 or 3 times easily you can remember this formula. This is not that much hard. L is equal, so M mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 bracket complete into h. Okay, and now you will ask me, sir, what is this all? Okay, then L is equal to lower limit of the model class. Now how we will define which one is your model class? So which frequency is maximum repeated, which interval is maximum repeated, that will be your model class. Okay, now H is class size of the interval. Okay, here we have to assume that all class size are size be equal. In last exercise 1 question we have seen their class interval was not same, not equal. If that type of question come here, then that type of question will not come, that will come next year. Okay, in statistic 11 standard. Then frequency of model class, that is your f0. Now see, this is the chain of f, chain of f, chain of f, chain of frequency means f1, f0, f2. See, now the concept is like this. Okay, see these 3 fingers. Okay, now this is f1, this is f0. Why f0? Because this is preceding frequency. પાછળની, જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ પાછળનું હોય ને એને preceding કહેવાય. Okay, now this is f2, succeeding frequency means કે આગળનું. બરાબર, કે જો એના માટે ગુજરાતીમાં એક શબ્દ છે પુરોગામી અને અનુગામી. જો કે આ તો થોડો હાઈ લેવલનો શબ્દ થઈ ગયો, કદાચ તમે ન પણ સાંભળ્યો હોય. બરાબર, કે પુરોગામી એટલે કે પૂર્વજો જે કહીને ગયા છે બધું, આપણી પહેલા જે લોકો થઈ ગયા, પુરોગામી. અને અનુગામી એટલે કે આવવાવાળી પેઢીઓ, હવે આપણી પછી જે લોકો આવશે તે. ઓકે, તો આને જો પ્યોર ગુજરાતીમાં જો હું કરું તો પ્રિસીડિંગ મીન્સ કે પાછળ એટલે કે પુરોગામી, અને સક્સીડિંગ મીન્સ કે આગળનું એટલે અનુગામી. તો વચ્ચે કોણ આવશે? રાઇટ નાવ વી પીપલ આર ઇન પ્રેઝન્ટ, સો વી આર f1 એકચ્યુઅલી. અને જે આપણા પૂર્વજો હતા તે f0, અને હવે જે બાળકો બધા થશે તે f2. ઓકે, સો ઇન ધીસ મેનર યુ હેવ ટુ કન્સિડર. સી, આઈ હેવ ગિવન વેરી ગુડ એક્ઝામ્પલ ફોર યુ. બરાબર, કે તમને લોકોને કાંઈ તકલીફ જ ન થાય યાદ રાખવા. ઓકે, આઈ હેવ ગિવન ગુડ એક્ઝામ્પલ. દેન નાવ this is the formula, and here I have mentioned, means the people have mentioned particular things what these things are. Okay, now we'll solve one example. As here you can see, this is 14 point second exercise, and the first question, the following table shows the age of patients admitted in hospital during a year. Okay, in one full year, this age is patients were admitted. Okay, done. Question you understood. Okay, and these are number of patients, means this is your frequency, huh? And this is your class interval. I will explain you all these things. I will first go in just numbers, and then I will explain you its interpretation. Interpretation मतलब કે કહેવા શું માગે છે, બરાબર ને, એ વસ્તુ પણ તો સમજવી જોઈએ. Okay, then now here એટલે કે આ એવું કહેવા માંગે કે 5 year to 15 year ના જે હતા તો 6 patients were admitted in that year, બરાબર, as well as 15 to 25 year ના જે હતો જે આ ઇન્ટરવલ, તો એ ટાઈપના 11 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પેશન્ટ્સ ત્યાં એડમિટ થયા હતા. હવે જો આનો કેવો મતલબ થાય કે 15 to 25 મતલબ કે કોઈ 15 યરનું પણ હોય, કોઈ સ્ટુડન્ટ પેશન્ટ, કોઈ પેશન્ટ 17 યરનો પણ હોય, કોઈ પેશન્ટ છે તે 20 યરની પણ હોય. ઓકે, this is the interpretation of this data, and this type of data is given here. Maximum 23 patients were there, and the age is 35 to 45, બરાબર ને, 35 થી 45 વર્ષના એવા મેક્સિમમ લોકો હતા. એક આખો ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ આપી દીધો, રેન્જ, એટલે કે વધારે ડેટા લખવો ના પડે. 23 patients were there. Okay, now question is find mode and mean of given data, and compare and interpret to measures of central tendency. બેને ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના, બંનેને કમ્પેર કરવાના, અને એનું ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન મતલબ કે શું કહેવા માગે છે. જસ્ટ નંબર્સ વિલ ગેટ 35.10, 52.2, વોટ એવર ઇટ ઇઝ, જસ્ટ નંબર્સ વિલ ગેટ, દેન ઇટ મીન્સ વોટ, ઇટ ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન ઓલ્સો વી શુડ નો ના, ખબર તો હોવી જોઈએ કે આ નંબર છે શું. So that thing we have to find. So first of all we will find mean. Okay, so let me tell you first answer, let me tell you interpretation પહેલા કહી દો કે જો mean મળશે તો actually mean એટલે શું હશે. Okay, what will be mean? Mean will be the average age of the patients. Okay, from 5 year the patients were started, means the smallest children, otherwise child, was 5 year, and the maximum, the means which was the elder, okay, eldest, so that is 65 year. Now mean will give us the average year, average data. Okay, so here first let me show you this table. Okay, first because we have to make one table, then here first I will write down class interval. Okay, then let me call this class. Okay, class means class interval. Then 5 to 15, and as well as 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Now fi, okay, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Now here xi we have to find now. Okay, then here xi, okay, then xic, 10 will come because 5 to 15, so 15 plus 5, 20 by 2, 10, and because all class intervals are same, so that we have to add 10, 10, 10. For example, 25, 30, 40, 40 by 2, 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, done. Okay, fixi, then here 60, 6 into 10, 60, 11 into 20, then 11 2s are 22, 22 1 0 21 3s are okay, and 23 4s are 94 1 0 700 this is, and 6 5s are 30 means 300. okay, if you add okay this all 0, then total karo aano barabar 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15 1, then here 9 plus 1 10 18 25 28. okay, 285 0 means 2850, and total, is it given, frequency given anywhere? No, it is not given. Then we have to find sigma fi also, and this is what, this is your sigma fi xi. Now here, because first we are going to find find x bar, okay, mean. Right now we are finding, ખબર હોવી જોઈએ શું ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ. then total કરો આનો, ભાઈ કેટલો થાય છે, then see 6 14 6 20 અને આવી રીતે કરી નાખેલો ને, 6 plus 1 7 8 11 15 20 0 2 okay, 2 4 6 7 8 બરાબર થઈ ગયું. Total frequency is 80. Again 6 4 10 6 7 8 okay 80 6 11 21 23 14 and 5. જો કન્ફર્મ કરતું જાઓ ને, આમાં ઘણી વખત એવું થઈ જાય લખવામાં કોઈ મિસ્ટેક થઈ ગઈ, હા બાય મિસ્ટેક, then time will waste and full answer will come wrong. Then again and again actually we should confirm. It will take just few 2 or 3 seconds, huh? But afterward we will become confidence, yes this is correct, so that we can go ahead nicely. And as well as આપણ થઈ ગયો કે 10 to 60, then 6 10s are 60 11 2s are 220, yes yes okay done. And this total again I will correct, I will take your 30 seconds, but I will just make confirm. yes this 0 yes okay, all data is correct. Then now finally we have to write x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Then 2850 upon 80 means 285 upon 8 will come. okay, then if you divide 285 upon 8, $35.62 you will get, 35.62. okay, I'm going to write here 35, sorry, 35 not here, 35.62 you will get. okay, 35.62 is what, your x bar, that is your x bar 35.62. okay, write down inside, you have to box it, you have to highlight it, because afterward we have to compare also na, this thing we have to compare with mode. Then here now see we have done, okay, half of question is completed. Now next one is, because we have to calculate mode also, then mode. okay, first I will write down one thing here. પેલો જે ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે જે ફોર્મ્યુલા હતી, ઓકે, ફોર્મ્યુલા 1 minute, let me write here. okay, mode is equal to, okay, L plus f1 minus f2 f1 minus f0 upon to f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Then first we should write down all the data. So L is what? Here. So L is lower frequency of model class. Then see here, first we will write down all the data. Lower frequency of model class, then see here, model class is 23 na, because here maximum repeating, that is okay, lesser pointer, see here, see 23 it is repeating. So 35 to 45 interval is repeating maximum time. So lower frequency of model class. So first of all we have to confirm that this is our model class. ઓકે ભાઈ, આપણો મોડલ ક્લાસ છે. આપણે તમને લોકોને ખબર હોવી જોઈએ વાય ધીસ ઇઝ અવર મોડલ ક્લાસ, બિકોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ ધી 23rd મીન્સ 23rd ટાઈમ ઇટ વોઝ રિપીટેડ, કે 35 to 45 યરના એવા પેશન્ટ હતા જે 23 ટાઈમ આવ્યા, બરાબર. એટલે મતલબ કે 23 પેશન્ટ એવા હતા કે જે આ ગ્રુપમાં આવતા હતા, એટલે ધીસ ઇઝ અવર મોડલ ક્લાસ. સો એલ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ lower limit of model class. Then 35 is lower limit. Okay, so L is equal to, I will write down, હું જો એક એક લખીશ, થોડી વાર લાગશે, again and again I have to change this slide, but you people will become confirm that you will be exact that yes, this is the data. Okay, and how this come. So now I will write down L is equal to, here I will write L is equal to 35, બરાબર. એટલે કાંઈ કન્ફ્યુઝન ન રહે. Now H also I will write down, that you all know H is equal to 10, એટલે શું છે? ક્લાસ ઇન્ટરવલ. Now F1, F0 and F2. Okay, then F1, F0, F2. તો જો F1 શું હતું? F1 is actually the present. Actually આપણે મેં તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું, present means we people are F1 means frequency of model class, and it was 23. Let me change this slide here. See, this is F1. Okay, now F0 21 and F2 14. Okay, આ પેલા પૂર્વજો અને આ બધા આવે બધા, બરાબર. પૂર્વગામી અનુગામી means this is preceding and this is succeeding. So F0 21, F2 14, then F0 21 and 14. Now just we have to write down this all the data. Here L is equal to 35, F1 minus F0 means F1 minus 23 minus 21, directly I will write 2. One step actually I have cut, I haven't substituted this value, directly I have simplified. Easily you can understand. Okay, 2 F1, 2 into F1, 23 into 2, 46 minus F0 21, F2 14, bracket complete into 10. Again now minus minus plus 21 plus 14 means 25 35, 46 35 means 46 minus 35 11, then 2 by 11 into 10 means 35 plus 2 into 10 means 20 by 11. Okay, so if you simplify 20 by 11, then basic answer you will get 20 by 11 ones are 29. Okay, and 11 8s are 88 to 11 ones are 1.81 will come. 35 plus 1.81 you will get, then 36.81. So your mode is equal to 36.81. Okay, and your mean is equal to, let me write here mean. Okay, x bar is equal to 35 point, what was come? 62. Okay, 62. This is your first answer, this is your second answer. Now interpretation, what this data says. શું કહે છે આનો મતલબ શું થયો? Actually I have already explained first one, x bar. What is x bar? બરાબર ને, ખબર પડી ગઈ કે 35.62 યરના પેલા હતા લોકો એવા કે એવરેજ એજ એ લોકોની હતી, બરાબર. Now what is 36.81? So this is actually says that, okay, you just remember this number 36.81, you just remember, because I am going to change this slide. 36.81 you have to remember. Now here see, this is our class interval, or this is our model class. તો 35 to 45 યરના એવા લોકો હતા કે જે મેક્સિમમ વખત એ ટાઈપના પેશન્ટ્સ આવ્યા હતા. તો એમાંના જે મેક્સિમમ એવરેજ એજ કઈ હતી કે જે લોકો મેક્સિમમ આવ્યા હતા? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ એક્ઝેક્ટ 35 યર તો ન હોય ને બધાના. Right now you and we people are right now okay, facing to each other. So my age is different, your is different. My age is for example right now 28 year. So 28 year એટલે કઈ એક્ઝેક્ટ મારા 28 થોડાક ને ઉપર એક પણ દિવસ વધારે નહીં ઓછો નહીં એવું તો દર વખતે ન બને ને. સેમ થિંગ હેપન વિથ યુ ઓલ્સો. You people are right now for example 16 years. So exact not it is 16. So here in this situation some can be 35 year and few month, 36 year and few month, 37 year and few month, like that na, up to 44. તો એવા મેક્સિમમ લોકો હતા કેટલા કે એની એજ 36.81 એટલે આ actually 81 is in decimal point. So that decimal point actually proper want if you want to get the answer, then this decimal point you have to convert in month. 0.80, okay, means almost 20%, sorry 80%. So 80% means almost 4 8 6 3 4 3 4 7, almost it is up to 9 and 10 months. That is up to 10, almost that is 10 months. જો ભાઈ 10 મહિના જેટલું અંદાજે કીધું, બરાબર. So 36 year and 10 month એવા લોકો હતા જેની એજ આ હતી અને એવા મેક્સિમમ લોકો આવ્યા હતા. કદાચ 3 આવ્યા હોય, 5 આવ્યા હોય, 10 આવ્યા હોય, આઉટ ઓફ 23. હા, સો ધીસ વોઝ ધી નોટેડ એજ. આ એક નોટ ડાઉન કરેલી એજ છે કે આ ટાઈપના માની લો કે કદાચ 10 લોકો આવ્યા હશે. Okay, so this is your model class. Now you just tell me, just from seeing this data, can you understand? Can you tell me, can you give me the answer that which one is your model class? કે 36.80 યરના તે લોકો આવ્યા હશે? તમે કહી શકો કોઈ દિવસ? We cannot tell. So that using this formula we can give the answer. So this is the use of this formula. Okay, now homework, let me write. Okay, homework. Okay, all example up to 14.2. Okay, you have to write in example book. Okay, you have to write in example book. All example up to 14.2 you have to write in example book. Now I'm going to end this session. I have tried my best to explain you these things, because actually it is very much hard to explain the mode. Generally ખબર ન પડે, સ્ટુડન્ટને બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝન હોય મોડમાં. Then also I have done my best and I hope you all student understood. Then also if not there, then you can WhatsApp me. I will reply you, but please try to understand my situation. I will reply on my time because I have to complete so many tasks. I am really so much busy. I will not disappoint you, but it is possible that you people have to wait for a while. At a time I cannot reply every time to so many students. So you also understand my situation. I will not make you disappoint. I am always with you, you don't be worry. Okay, and if that is very much urgent, then you people can call me anytime. Okay, thank you. Still if you are new, then you subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Now thank you, we will meet again in next video with such very interesting examples, questions, and we will complete few more questions of this exercise. Thank you. Bye bye.